YouTube? You're tuning into the Infamous World Network, and it's your host, the Infamous Jerez. If you're new to this channel, or if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. And while you're at it, make sure to drop a like on this video and ring the bell so you can get a notification every time the kid uploads a new video to YouTube. Also, if you're into Instagram, you can catch me on Instagram at _InfamousWorldNetwork. On my Instagram, I post daily stories, and I also post thumbnails and trailers to my YouTube videos, so you can catch me on Instagram. Now, if that's out the way, gang, we got a brand new pair of shoes on our hands today, and I can't wait to get them on camera and show you guys. Before we get into the shoe, let me give you a quick little background. So what we got on our hands here today is a shoe that came out June 5th, 2021 for $175. That shoe is the Air Max 97 Puerto Rico. Alright, boom. So we got a plain Jane Nike box, all red with the white Nike hits. When you get to the tag of the shoe, we got the Air Max 97 OG SPPRD, metallic silver and varsity red is the colorway. So when you open up the shoe, it comes with this super dope beach towel. For those of you who don't know, Puerto Rico is like a gigantic beach, so when you go there, you're gonna need a beach towel, so it's pretty cool that it comes with this. The Puerto Rico te quiero, it means Puerto Rico, I want you. The towel is also two-sided. You have a blue and white side here. Towel has this NYC Nike hit right here, along with other Nike hits, so that's pretty cool. So getting into the shoe, boom, we got the Air Max 97 right here. Very classic shoe, very timeless shoe. So the upper of the shoe, when you see this shoe, if you're looking at it really quick, you might think it's the classic Air Max 97 silver bullet, but when you look closely, you see that this is actually the Air Max 97 Puerto Rico. So first thing first, when I have the shoe in hand, the first thing that jumps off about the shoe is just the shiny gray metallic silver upper with the 3M hits. The upper of the Air Max 97s always catches my eye. I just really love the uppers of this shoe. Getting deeper into the shoe, starting with the outsole, we have a blue and white outsole with red hits. We have a red Nike hit here. On the opposite shoe, you have a Puerto Rico flag on the bottom. Then once you get to the midsole of the shoe, you have this see-through air bubble with a gray air unit or metallic silver air unit all along. Classic Air Max 97. The midsole is white with the gray air unit bubble. Then when you get higher up on the upper, you have the red with a blue outside stitched Nike hit with the gray mesh. Then once you get higher on the uppers, you have the gray, mainly gray leather. There's one white leather strip along the shoe. It wraps around the whole shoe. That nice white leather strip definitely gives the shoe a little bit more life, because there's definitely a lot of gray on the uppers. Then once you get to the shoelaces, you have these gray shoelaces with gray mesh underneath them. And once you get to the top of the tongue, you have a blue patch with a red Nike hit here. And once you get a little bit higher, you have a Puerto Rican flag right here on the top of the tongue, which is pretty cool. Getting to the inside of the shoe, you have a navy blue sock liner with a navy blue insole. On the inside of the insole, you have a white Nike hit with aquí me quedo, which means here I stay. The shoe also comes with a secondary pair of laces if you want to spice it up. They're mainly navy blue with hits of red and white. Me personally, if I owned this shoe, I would wear the gray laces, but that's just me. All in all, the Air Max 97 Puerto Rico is a pretty simple shoe. There's just small little Puerto Rico hits. I am a big fan of this colorway. I think the gray with the navy blue and the red is very sexy, and I think it looks real dope. I definitely would say this shoe is a drip, and I would love to add this shoe to my collection if I could. But yeah, for this shoe being $175, I would say it doesn't blow me away, but the shoe is definitely pretty decent. And Air Max 7s, if you never owned a pair, they're very comfortable and they're very nice to wear on a daily. So the shoe is definitely very wearable. Holding this shoe in hand, I would definitely give this shoe an 8 out of 10. I think this is a very solid shoe, and I think this shoe is very flexible and very versatile. I think you could wear this shoe with a lot of different things. This shoe is an 8 out of 10, gang. Let me know what's your thoughts on this shoe. Do you think it's an 8 out of 10? Do you think it's a 10 out of 10? Or do you think this shoe is trash? Let me know in the comment box your thoughts on this shoe, and also your thoughts on Air Max 97s. Also, make sure to like the video if you haven't already, and also make sure to subscribe to the World Network. I would really appreciate that. This is your host, the Infamous Jerez. You're watching the Infamous World Network, and we're signing out.